Good morning, everybody. Just getting ready to jump in the shower. I am up. Decent time. I've actually been up. I made myself a cup of coffee. But, gonna see. Morning, little man. He's like, oh, man. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's like, can you cover me back up and go back to bed? Thank you. Hey, puppy dog. Let me get you out. Let me get the puppy dog outside. Oh, I know, baby. I know, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Dude, I was asleep, man. You are asleep. You sleep now. I'm sorry, bud. We gotta get moving here. 10 minutes to leave. 10 minutes to leave. 10 minutes. You're such a cute baby. Bless you. You're such a cute fluff. Sure. You alright, bud? Been sneezing the whole way down the stairs. And it is very dark outside. Of course, you know, I can light the trees up for you. Light is insane. See how long it goes before it starts to dim. But rechargeable. It's a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie. And it probably looks very strange, but there is some wildlife out here, especially in the mornings and at night. Came for his walk, and then I gotta get rolling here because never seems to fail. I'm just right on time and getting out of the house. Well, I should say this is actually something new really for me, and I'm actually up on time. I don't know. Fear of your job, I guess I'll do that, but hey, you know, I'm not gonna be stupid about, you know, getting fired. Well, that's what I call leaving right on time. 5:45. 13-minute drive, so we're good. Slept pretty good last night, I think. Only problem is I basically played hacky sack with my alarms, back and forth, shutting them off, or snoozing them. And I did try my little trick here with the watch again, and right now we're at 50%, so I'm hopeful we'll get through day number 2 with it. But no, it's weird. It started tracking an indoor walk on me yesterday. I don't know how much that the fitness app actually hurts my battery, but I mean, it's to get through 2 days on the other one, using it every freaking day. It's always something. And yeah, a little different look this morning. My left contact rolled up in my eye in the shower, so that was a fun few moments trying to get that out of my eye without being able to see. Well, it's supposed to be cloudy today. We'll see how that holds out. I do have a set of contacts with me in case. So I have a lot of contacts left from my last visit, what, 2 years ago? I used up my flex bending. I have like 4 years of contacts. 2 for a normal person, 4 to 5 for me. I've been at work about an hour and a half so far. Things are, I don't know, things feel a little weird this morning, I'm not gonna lie. But rain may halt our walk. I'm gonna try. I did find a new Columbia shell when we were at Salvation Army, so I'm gonna try to take my walk. But PM showers, so we'll see how that works out. It's really cloudy and gross out there right now. It's not raining, but it's looking like it could any minute, so. It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Cloudy. 75, but the humidity's not too bad today. So I don't think it's only showing cloudy. It's not showing any rain. Thank goodness. I don't feel like getting soaked again. Well, we are starting to get some fall foliage. Not a whole lot. I'm kind of wondering. These look like they're colorful. It's always a concern when you have so much rain that they're just going to turn brown and die. Getting some orange and yellow. Maybe. With breathing complications, I might add. 1631 to about 2 miles. I don't know if it's just the air or what the hell it's causing this. But it's actually going away now. It's pretty bad most of the walk though. Not like the other night, but annoying enough. Well, the sun did come out briefly a minute ago. Kind of got me worried. I might have to put my contacts in, but nah. Contact-free day. Well, didn't start off that way, but just don't want to irritate that left eye for it folding up like that. It hurt. It's very frustrating in the shower too. It's like I'm sitting there going, ah, can't see, can't get to a mirror. Finally managed to blink it out. Oh, but that part of the day is over, and I'm really, really concerned of whether or not this thing's gonna make it. The watch is down to 26%. That's in about it's 3 o'clock, 9 hours. I lost 24%. Now, still have another 7 to go. So I'm back home. We'll see. We will see. Bad part is the other day I put the charger down on the one of the tables in the living room, so if I had to plug it in quick, I could. I didn't do that this morning. I can't get to my charger now without waking anybody up. So what I got is what I got. It won't be the first time I killed it at work. It's not like it's draining super quick. It's just, and I won't be doing another workout. That was, I think, the big hit today. Those workouts, because it's running all those timers and measurements and stuff. It knocked it down. I don't know. I love the look of the Series 4. I really do. It works really nice. I'm just not thrilled that I'm not getting, you know, at least close to the performance I got out of the 3. I was easily getting 2 days left. 2 days with like 39% left over when I got home. Sometimes less, but most of the time I still had just under 40% left after 2 days. Not with the 4. I'd be really surprised if Terry's even asleep, because they're doing the concrete work on our side today. Man. It's always something, right? Working third shift sucks. Trying to sleep during the day when people are actually, you know, doing stuff. I'm just gonna wait for this yo-yo to get out of my way. And no shock that he woke up. I didn't even try to be quiet. Figured over the jackhammer I had a chance. I was wrong. Alright, take a lap. I don't see how Terry's sleeping, I really don't. I'd be amazed if she really is. Well, as always, I try to do a little more than I really can. Did get the video edited, I think. I really wasn't paying all that much attention the first 8 minutes, 23 seconds. A couple little clips here and there that I trimmed off, but they stopped jackhammering. I'm hoping they're not doing any more today. It's 4 o'clock. I don't know. Seems like everybody left. But no, I was trying to get the Hero 7 to auto up to the cloud, and it's not connecting for some reason. I just don't have the time to figure it out and understand it. So maybe tonight when I get home, I'll take another stab at it, since I should be done editing pretty damn quick. Oh, and the sun has tried to come back out again, which is not good for me with my 4 eyes. Can't wear my sunglasses, but like I said earlier, my eyes definitely need a break. It's been a while. It's supposed to be cloudy like this all week long, I think. I don't know. Oh, it was all day long. That's right. That's just today. Oh well. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong there, because this is something that it'll bring up a list of networks to connect to, and it's not doing such thing. I have it connected via Bluetooth. I can't connect it via Wi-Fi to the camera and connect to the home network at the same time. So not exactly sure what I'm doing wrong there, but I will figure it out, like always. there definitely were some spots where that sky looked pretty threatening. I don't know, but safe to work almost. Got a little delayed there. Well, it is time to go home, and not too soon. Oh, well, and on Apple Watch news, I made it, but I cheated. Went back to electronics when I was returning stuff, and just see if we had like the short cable, and didn't find it, but I did happen to find a, I thought it was Black Web, but it's Black something else. I don't know, it's a brand I've never heard of. I was looking at portable chargers today, which have been, you know, kind of nice when we travel and when I'm at work. If I ever, you know, if I get a massive battery drain, I could just throw it on something without having to plug it in. And it was on clearance for $35. So I gave it a shot, threw it on there while I was on my 15-minute break, and gave me 11% battery, and I'm at 24 now. So that was at 7:15. So you're talking 3 hours ago, I've only lost 3%. It works. I'll have to look at it. I think it's Blackfin. Blackfin was the brand name. Never seen it there before in my life, because I was searching online today, and they ranged anywhere from like the portable ones from basically $60 on up to like 100. Is like, that's crazy. I can't do that. I thought 35, I'll give it a chance. I got 90 days with it at Walmart, and so far it worked. Hey, puppy boo. Oh, baby boy. Come on, happy puppy. Come on, my little man. You can do it. You can do it. Hello, fella. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, stretch and yawn and oh, puppy. Where's your puppy? You tired, huh? All right, I'm gonna get him for a walk and get us editing and go to bed. One thing I did, Terry and I were talking about it when we were on our way back from Knoebels, was the A Star Is Born with Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga. She said, but I bet you that soundtrack's going to be really popular. It's also got a lot of tracks. Having Apple Music is kind of nice because I was able to get that. Unlike Deadpool 2, where I'm missing some songs, actually looks like I got the whole damn soundtrack. So I got to let Terry listen to that this weekend if I can. I'm going to have to hook it up to one of the Bluetooths and let her listen, because I don't personally like all the songs, but there's a couple of them I like pretty good. Shallow is one. And I forget what the hell the other title was. It was just her singing. It was really good. She does have an amazing voice, I'm not going to lie. So, anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thumb up if you like today's video, and I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Hold me close and catch your breath now, 'cause I feel